If your garage door opener is stuck in the closed position, you gotta know the quickest ways to fix it without losing your mind. First off, try resetting the garage door opener by unplugging it from the power source for about 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. That often clears any weird glitches messing with the system. Next, check the sensor system. Those little eye sensors near the bottom of the door track can get dirty or misaligned, which stops the opener from working right. Wipe the lenses gently with a clean cloth and make sure they're facing each other straight on. Also, look for any obstacles or debris blocking the sensors, because even a tiny twig or some dirt can cause trouble. If the sensors look fine, test the remote control batteries or try using the wall switch to open the door. Sometimes the remote just has weak batteries or connectivity issues. If none of that works, manually disengage the garage door by pulling the red emergency release cord and try lifting the door by hand to see if it's stuck physically. Lastly, check if the door tracks are bent or have buildup. Cleaning and lubricating them with a silicone-based spray can help the door move smoothly again. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with a garage door opener stuck in the closed position is ignoring sensor problems. Dirty or misaligned sensors are a common cause, so keeping them clean and properly aligned is key. Another common issue is not resetting the opener when it acts up. A quick reset can fix software glitches that stop your opener from responding. Lastly, people often forget to check for physical obstructions or issues with the door's tracks. Bent or dirty tracks can jam your door, so keeping them clean and straight can save you a lot of headaches. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. It's also great for contractors looking to find solid work without all the hassle of hunting down clients themselves.